why is the sky blue?
Don't say because it is blue.
Well, it is because...
Anna is looking at the sky. It is a beautiful blue sky.
Mom, why is the sky blue? Don't say, because it is blue. Well, it is because...
I don't know.
Sophia does not know the answer.
Hello, everyone. Beautiful day.
Dad, why is the sky blue?
Why is the sky blue? Good question, Anna. The sky is blue because...
Does Brown know the answer?
I don't know either.
Mom and Dad do not know.
Nobody knows. Let's find out together.
Hey, what are you doing?
This is Jack. Jack is Anna's brother.
Jack, why is the sky blue?
I don't know. It's just blue.
Jack, that is not an answer. I want to know the answer. I will find out, I promise.
Look at the sky. It is so beautiful. But why is it blue?
Everyone, let's find the answer together.
Yes. Good idea, Hannah.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Okay. I'm coming.
Anna is the leader today.
Sky.
Sky. S-K-Y. Sky. The sky is above us.
Blue.
Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue.
The sky is blue.
Light.
Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light.
The sun gives us light.
Oh, I found something. Look at this book about light and color.
The sky is really blue. Okay, I want to know too.
Look at the clouds. The clouds are white. The sky is blue. The clouds are white.
What is light exactly? I can see it, but what is it?
That is a great question, Anna. Let's find out together.
Light comes from the sun. Light travels very, very fast. We need light to see colors. Look at the sun, Anna. The sun gives us light. Say it.
The sun gives us light.
I can touch the sky. Watch me. Almost.
Jack, you cannot touch the sky.
But I was so close.
Come on, everyone. Let's find out.
Yes, let's discover the answer.
The Brown family is ready. Let's go. Act 2, First Discovery. I have an idea. Watch this. Brown has a plan. Look at the water. A rainbow in the garden.
Wow.
Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. A rainbow has many beautiful colors.
Oh, I remember now. I read about this. Sunlight has colors inside.
I'm going in.
Jack, you are completely wet.
Worth it.
Now, look at this.
Brown has a glass prism. What will happen?
Oh!
Whoa.
The light splits into all the colors of the rainbow. Wow, moment 1! White light has all the colors inside. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, all hidden in white light.
I can see the colors on my hand.
Sunlight looks white, but inside, it has all the colors. Red,
Red,
orange,
orange,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
violet.
violet.
Every rainbow has 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
But how does the prism do this? Why does light split into colors?
Light moves in waves. Like this. Watch my arms. Wave. This is a wave.
Wave. W-A-V-E. Wave.
Look at this straw in the water. The straw looks broken, but it is not.
Light can bend? Light bends when it goes in water?
Yes, light bends. This is called the prism bends the light and the colors separate.
Refraction. refraction. Refraction, when light bends.
Here, Jack, use this one.
Thank you, Mom.
But I still have one question. Why does the sky choose blue? Why not red? Why not green?
Hello, everyone. I am Cindy.
She is our science teacher.
Hello, Anna. Hello, Jack.
Hello, Cindy.
Hi.
This is Cindy. She is our teacher.
Teacher, Teacher. Teacher.
I have some things to show you.
What is in the bag?
Which color do you think bounces more, blue or red?
I think blue?
Watch this. Blue confetti. I throw it. See? Blue goes far. Now red, it falls.
Wow, moment 2. Blue light bounces off air particles everywhere. That is why the whole sky is blue, not just one spot.
Scatter. The ball bounces and goes in a new direction.
Atmosphere, the air around the earth.
Atmosphere, the air around the earth.
Now watch very carefully.
Cindy shines the light through the water. Look! The light turns blue inside the water.
It's blue. The light is blue.
The tiny particles scatter the blue light. Blue light bounces off them and goes in all directions. The particles are very, very tiny. So tiny, you cannot see them.
I can catch the blue light. Watch me. I've almost got it.
Jack, you cannot catch light.
But it was right there.
Air is invisible. You cannot see it, but it is there, and it has tiny, tiny particles. The prism and the water, these are the same idea. Small particles scatter blue light in water and in air.
Oh, I understand. Okay, I think I know the answer now. First, white light has all the colors.
Say it, Anna. You know this. Come on, say it.
Blue light scatters. It bounces off air particles. It goes in all directions, everywhere in the sky. That is why the sky is blue.
Perfect. That is exactly right, Anna.
Amazing. Well done.
That's my girl.
Okay, I'm impressed.
Look at the sky now. It is changing.
Look at the sky now. The color is changing. The sun is going down.
Look, the sky is changing color.
This is a sunset.
Sunset. S-U-N-S-E-T. Sunset. At sunset, the sun is low in the sky.
The sky is orange now.
But why is it orange now? Where did the blue go?
I have an experiment. Watch this. Watch the light go through the bottles. White light goes in. What color comes out?
It's orange at the end.
Wow, moment 4. At sunset, the sun is very low. The light must travel through so much atmosphere. All the blue light scatters away. It cannot reach us. So we see orange and red.
Blue is gone?
Look, the red card and the sunset, they match.
They do match. Red and orange.
Red. R-E-D. Red.
But wait, there is more. This is the Earth. It has atmosphere all around it. Now, the moon. No atmosphere.
Wow, moment 5. On the moon, there is no atmosphere. No atmosphere, no scatter, no blue sky. The moon's sky is black.
Black sky? For real?
For real. On the moon, the sky is always black.
Moon. The moon's sky is black.
And one more thing.
Wow, moment 6. Mars, the red planet. Mars has a different atmosphere with different dust. And Mars has a pink sky.
Pink? Mars has a pink sky?
Different planets have different skies. Earth, blue. Moon, black. Mars, pink.
Jack, at sunset, the sun is very low. The blue light cannot reach us, so we see orange.
Oh, I understand.
Now I understand everything. Okay, Jack, listen to me. Light has colors. Look, I used the prism. See the rainbow on the grass?
Wow, cool. But how does it work inside?
White light has colors inside. Listen, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet.
Let's review the colors of light. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Light has all these colors inside.
Blue light bounces. Watch this ball. See? It goes in a different direction.
Scatter. Everywhere, everywhere.
That is why the sky is blue. Blue light scatters in all directions, everywhere in the sky. Excuse me, excuse me. Do you know why the sky is blue? I can tell you. Blue light scatters in the atmosphere.
Oh, really? That is interesting. Wow, you know so much.
I learned it today.
Atmosphere. Say it with me.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
What happens when blue light hits a particle?
Scatter.
You earned this, Anna, a science star.
Oh, thank you. Look, Jack, I got a star.
I want one too. I will learn. I will get a star too. Next time, I will know everything.
The family is together. They are happy. Sky. The sky is above us. Light.
Light comes from the sun. Color. Light has many colors.
Scatter. Blue light scatters in all directions.
Jack, why is the sky blue?
Because blue light scatters.
That is correct.
What is light?
Light has many colors.
What is the atmosphere, Anna?
The atmosphere is the air around the Earth.
Perfect.
Let's watch the sunset together.
The family sits together. They watch the beautiful sunset. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Anna, what color is the sky now?
The sky is orange now because blue light cannot reach us at sunset.
That is exactly right.
And the moon has a black sky because no atmosphere.
And Mars has a pink sky. Different dust, different scatter.
Look, a star.
I see it. I see it. Is that star blue too?
Next time, Anna. Next time.
We have more adventures ahead.
Let's review. Today's words, Part 1. Sky, blue, light, color, rainbow. Part 2. Scatter, atmosphere, particle, wave, refraction. Part 3. Sunset, orange, red, moon, Mars, planet.
Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue?
Light has many colors. Light has many colors.
Blue light scatters more. Blue light scatters more.
That is why the sky is blue.
Wait, I have a new question. Why is the ocean blue?
Anna, no more questions today.
Huh, a great question for next time.
Next time, Anna. Next time.
Okay.
Phrases you learned today. Part 1. Why is the sky blue? That is a great question. I don't know. Let's find out. Light has many colors. Look at the rainbow. Blue light. Phrases you learned today. Part 2. This is called the atmosphere. The sun gives us light. White light has all the colors. Let's try an experiment. Look what happens. Can you see the colors?
See you next time. Goodbye.
Easy with Ella. Discover the world in English.
Subscribe for the next adventure. Press the bell. Don't miss it.
The sky is beautiful. And now you know why.